What's up, guys? It's Mila, and today we are making slime, and it is a hot mess. Okay. So my mom is going already with her hands, and I'm not.
It's getting better. It's getting better.
Well, oh my gosh, hers is way better than mine. Okay, mine not even ready, and I been putting activator and mixing it.
Hold on, dude.
Your slime is better, and my slime is going to get my mom's.
Oh, here we
You
go.
two is going to get my slime.
Okay. Make sure we get all of the slime so it all mixes. Okay. So this is the consistency you want until you go with your hands. And you want to just keep moving it so it doesn't drop and stuff when we get all of the slime. Okay. Okay, show the camera your slime. That's already ready. Her slime is already ready, mine's not. Is it still consistent?
Oh, mine!
That you want?
The what?
The consistency?
I want mine!
Wyatt, this is not yours. Okay.
I want my
Ugh.
I want my slime now.
Okay, hold on, dude.
Just kind of go in just like this.
Mine's still a little sticky. I don't know what to do.
Mine is not a little sticky.
Stop. I feel like I need a little bit more because it's just sticky.
No, yours.
Yeah, it
Mine
is.
is not
Do you have lotion?
Yes.
You can put lotion in it and we'll make it not sticky. We have shaving cream.
We have
Yes, we do. I remember seeing it in the back. We have shaving cream. I can't go get it.
My
Okay.
slime is better.
No, I think mine. Well, once my slime gets to
Not my
really
slime. It's sticky on me. That wasn't it.
Okay, mine's getting all over the clothes. So,
What?
just so you know, you might want to wear short sleeves.
Do you not get that on my table?
I'm not. I don't see any. Here, I need you to go get the shaving cream. It's somewhere in the back. Not the first.
Quiet!
Oh, this feels kind of nice.
Where? I don't even see it.
I don't see a cream. I don't see cream.
Look at the, look. So on your, here.
And that's mine. It's like a cookie jar.
I don't see it.
Here. It's in that shelf. In the back. Told ya! Okay. So we found shaving cream.
Move.
Cream.
That makes it really fresh. Maybe not for me. I can't put any in my slime.
Wyatt, move. Oh, okay. Well.
I haven't touched shaving cream in a long time. Okay, this is all I'm gonna get out of that.
You better clean up all that
And
with the rag, like now. Like now. You're gonna ruin my table.
I can't.
my
The
table.
rag's gonna get messy. Slime will get off tables.
No, it's the activator. Get it off the table.
I can't.
Do
Do you see my hands?
and look what you did. Press stop. Look what you did to my table. Go get your hands clean, and you're gonna clean up my table right now.
Okay, so hope you like this video.
Yeah,
Make
you're
sure
not
you
gonna like this video. Go, you're ruining my table.
Okay, make sure you subscribe. Bye.